Liwa, where you at?
I'm at Waikani right now. Where are you?
I'm in the house right now, but I'm feeling a bit down.
Meet me at Juke Center right now.
Sure, I'll pull up.
So me call up on the phone number. So give me the lead, I go roca. Talking me say you still up on city, yeah. I'm me choosing you, cause we all over in my body. But no balance, you got this, yeah. I then go, oh, manga, oh. Something below, from ya, but got up in me, yeah. You got me, you better. I got up in me, did you, yeah. And you got me, you come steady, worry. Blow me on, you better send me on, man. I don't want me needing you. When them up, you stop thinking. When you finding you, yeah.
Lightning bulb when it goes into the system. This natural KAWI ability, something very special. Flushing the vein, taking all of them a pain. Only nature has blessed our place, providing us in all of them our ways. Thanks to Jah for the natural KAWI hips.